I am very happy to share with you some of my views on this important subject of unemployment. As you are aware that I have been devoting my attention to evolve a well-defined employment policy. I have recently put down my ideas in a small book known as Jobs for Our Millions. I am of the opinion that our future depends on the way we work out our priorities in tackling this issue. There may be difference of opinion regarding the quantum of unemployment in our country, but the fact remains that this has become the central issue and unless and until we take positive and concrete measures to solve this problem, the future of our country and our democracy is at stake. We cannot get away from this problem by adopting short-term planning. The strategy that we have to evolve must be adequate and should produce immediate results. Various committees and commissions have gone into this question, and I personally feel that there is no shortage of material, but it is in the stage of implementation that we fail. I have great pleasure to go through the policy paper, which had rightly emphasized the need for evolving a national employment policy. It was pointed out that the different 5 year plans have not highlighted the employment planning and have made only references to it. In spite of the investments that have been made in reorienting the economy, we have not been able to get the desired results on the problem of unemployment. As we have made very good progress in the field of heavy industries and also in setting up hydroelectric projects, we must now devote our attention for creation of enough employment opportunities to absorb the vast millions of our unemployed and underemployed. For this purpose, we should give the highest priority to improve agriculture and small scale industries with a view to absorbing the unemployed millions. We have to address the problem of rural poverty, which is linked to the problem of raising the efficiency of agricultural sector. I consider the building up of the necessary infrastructure for greater agricultural productivity as of utmost importance. Unless and until we could enlarge the small farmers' interest in progressive agriculture through a network of cooperative farms, a major task would remain incomplete. The settlement of educated and uneducated unemployed in cooperative farms will help us to create a new order of young progressive farmers to bring about radical changes in farming techniques and rural life. I hope and trust that it would not only address the problem of unemployment but will make the country self sufficient in food and other requirements. I would like to say that in future, no free allotment of land should be made to people except as members of cooperative societies, as the present policy of distribution of wastelands has not been effective. It is observed that the land allotted to the landless farmer goes into the hands of big landlords. Thus, the very purpose of our scheme of providing land to the landless is defeated. A network of community development blocks has no doubt created enthusiasm among the rural people and helped in the absorption of rural manpower in developmental activity. It has opened up the country in some remote areas and created enthusiasm in scheduled castes and scheduled tribes and weaker sections of society. The process of democratic decentralization of administration as part of the strategy to involve the people in planning and development of their own areas has benefited mainly the well to do sections. The pace of the programs has become slow due to lack of funds. As we have started the programs of development all over the country, we should now integrate the economic development efforts to raise the standard of living of our people. To begin with, each community block should be provided with one cooperative land project and it may vary in size depending on the availability of land. The operation of these units should be on the lines of cooperative farming and we should encourage the irrigation with improved methods of agriculture. The ultimate aim is to cover the entire country. I hope that it is one of the way of removing unemployment. If our cooperative farms become successful, I am sure that even private owners of farms will come forward to take advantage of it. With these measures, I am sure we can overcome the problem of unemployment in the years to come.